Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to this ICP update today. And ICP has been, consolidating for quite a while now, and Bitcoin has had some influence and pumped ICP. It actually kind of moving sideways again, and you're still trapped in this long consolidation and a sideways movement for ICP. And I've told you before that I think if ICP makes it up to 14.326, I think you're going to start a big journey probably to push higher, take out even 16.3, and we could be moving way more higher. Now I think there's a collision coming in. If you extend this and you extend that as well, I think by the end of the month we're going to have at some point, of course, you're meant to do something here, and that also I think at this point of time is going to depend on what Bitcoin really does. So I don't know about this ascending head and shoulder anymore. It does look like things are changing. The more you consolidate, the more you may see things in a different way. So let's actually try to remove the drawings one more time and try to see what is happening, of course. And then again, here you are. Still does look to me like you are probably making this resistance right over there. So let's actually entertain that, and we're going to take the support line as well. And if we try to combine that upper resistance with this lower support, you can actually see that 24th of February is the time when this squeeze actually comes to an end. And yes, the direction of the break is wherever you break is your direction in the future. And if you try to come like this and break below, hopefully it doesn't fake out and then move up. If you don't fake out and break for real to the downside, then I think you're looking for the very first target being 8.57. And if you try to break above here, we can actually see a move back all the way up to 16.327. So keep an eye on this one because you do have a potential setup. And yes, 12 to 16 more days, and we're going to get to know whatever this coin does, it does. All you have to do is take advantage of the direction. And that's all for this update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.